Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutingu Foodies. If you love coffee desserts, you're gonna love this oat muffin recipe. These soft and fluffy muffins are delicious, gluten-free and made with oat flour. We are also going to make a simple cocoa coffee drizzle which pairs perfectly with these muffins. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. We'll start by making a coffee mix. Add 1.5 tablespoons of instant coffee into a small bowl along with 1/3 cup of whole milk. Give it a good mix. And keep it aside. Next, add oats into a blender to make oat flour. We need 1 cup of oat flour, so add the oats accordingly. Blend it really well till it turns into a fine powder. Keep it aside for now. Now into a large bowl add 1/4 cup jaggery or any sweetener of your choice, followed by 3 tablespoons oil and give it a good whisk. Now add 1/2 cup of plain yogurt followed by the coffee mixture and mix again really well. Now add 1 cup of oat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Gently fold everything together until just combined. Pour the batter into muffin liners or simply grease your muffin tray well with oil and pour the batter directly into the cups. Top with chopped almonds and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. While the muffins are baking, let's prepare the cocoa coffee drizzle. Add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder into a small bowl or mug, along with 1 teaspoon of instant coffee and 1/2 tablespoon of milk. Mix until smooth. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey, whisk again and keep it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to let it thicken. Now let's check on our muffins. It's been 30 minutes and they look perfectly baked. Let them cool for a while. These coffee oat muffins are a delicious and wholesome treat for coffee lovers, and they taste even better with this rich cocoa coffee drizzle. The best part is they are incredibly simple and easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have never tried coffee muffins, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.